Determine the left end and right end behavior and the horizontal asymptotes, if any, or slant asymptotes, if any, for f of x equals x plus 9x squared minus 3x to the fourth divided by 6x to the fourth minus 4x. If the highest power in the numerator is less than or equal to the highest power in the denominator, f of x will have a horizontal asymptote. If the highest power in the numerator is greater than the highest power in the denominator, f of x will have left end and right end behaviors of positive infinity or negative infinity. If it is exactly 1 greater, this will happen through a slant asymptote. F of x equals x plus 9x squared minus 3x to the fourth divided by 6x to the fourth minus 4x. The highest power in the numerator is x to the 4. The highest power in the denominator is also x to the 4. The highest power in the numerator is less than or equal to the highest power in the denominator. This will have a horizontal asymptote. The highest power in the numerator exactly equals the highest power in the denominator. So the horizontal asymptote will be y equals the ratio of the coefficients of the highest power terms, negative 3 over 6. These can be reduced by a 3, and it will have a horizontal asymptote of y equals negative 1/2. Now to show that this is the case, the horizontal asymptote is found by y equals the limit as x approaches positive infinity or as x approaches negative infinity of the function x plus 9x squared minus 3x to the fourth divided by 6x to the fourth minus 4x. Since the function is a rational function, a polynomial over a polynomial, the limit as x approaches positive infinity and as x approaches negative infinity will have the same result and can be calculated simultaneously. The first thing to do is divide the numerator and denominator by the highest power of x in the denominator. That's x to the 4. So we will now divide each term in the numerator by x to the 4. And each term in the denominator also by x to the 4. The first term in the numerator, the x in the numerator, and cancel with one of the x's in the denominator, leaving a 1 in the numerator and an x cubed in the denominator. The second term, 2 x's in the numerator, can cancel with the 2 of the x's in the denominator, leaving behind a 9 over x squared. And the third term, the x to the 4, will fully cancel, leaving a minus 3. In the denominator, the x to the 4's in the first term will fully cancel, leaving a 6. The second term, the x in the numerator will cancel with one of the x's in the denominator, leaving a minus 4 over x cubed. Each term that is a constant divided by x to a positive power will go to 0 as x approaches positive infinity or negative infinity. The result is negative 3 over 6. Each can reduce by a 3, leaving a negative 1/2. And f of x has a horizontal asymptote of y equals to negative 1/2.